This is William Bailey from Boca Raton Elementary School.
Lots of good things are happening today. We're in Florida.
Okay, but we'll plan on being there, okay?
In Boca Raton, and we just visited a school there that has a Blessings in a Backpack program going on for 5 months.
You have the most beautiful hair.
We're going to grab some lunch ourselves now and then go and feed some people in a park. Then on to a church to stuff backpacks for Friday for the kids to be able to take home and have food.
There's just something about a song that's especially special when we sing together. Everybody's got a song to sing, so come on, let the rafters ring with a song. There's just something about a song that's especially special when we sing together. Everybody's got a song.
Been quite an eventful day.